Call it Chinchin, Achomo, or chips. Welcome back, guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this delicious Chinchin at home. Let's get into the video. So to begin, I am going to sieve my flour to make sure that there are no lumpy flour in there. Okay, we need our flour to be smooth. So I want to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to support this channel. I really appreciate you so much. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are warmly welcome. So guys, after sieving my flour, I'm going to add some cornstarch, okay? I'm also going to add baking powder and a pinch of salt. I'm going to use cinnamon, which you can substitute for nutmeg. Then it's time to add my granulated sugar, which you have to decide when you are making this because it depends on the amount of sugar you want in there. We don't need much sugar, but you can decide how much you need there. I'm using a room temperature margarine. You can use butter if that's what you want. So I'm going to use my hand to mix everything to make sure that it's melt into my flour or my dry ingredients. After you're going to get this flaky texture, I'm going to add my evaporated milk and also my egg. Then I'm going to use my hand to mix everything through to make sure that I achieve a perfect dough. And you want to note that we are not going to add any other liquids over here. What we have is just perfect and enough. At this point, if you're still watching me and you are not part of this wonderful family, but you enjoy what I am doing over here, your way of supporting this channel is to be a part of this wonderful family. Kindly click on that subscribe button, turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you so much. So guys, at this point, I am going to knead my dough for about 40 seconds before I go ahead with the recipe. I'm going to sprinkle some flour on my work surface and section my dough into two sizes or two portions. Then I'm going to roll this to flatten my dough to make sure that it's perfect for me to cut it into the sizes and shapes that I am looking for. So at this point, you want to note that you don't have to let your dough be so thick. That's why it's important that you flatten it, but you don't have to flatten it to be so light. Okay. So with my pizza cutter, I'm going to cut it through until I get to the end of the dough, after which I'm going to cut or shape this into the sizes that I want. And because there is the presence of baking soda or baking powder over here, I am going to cut this into very small sizes, and that's just how I want it. So when you are making this at home, you can just try to cut it into the sizes and shapes that you are okay with, right? So after here, I am going to make sure that I separate my chinchin from each other. Since we are going to bake this, I am going to spread this on my baking pan, making sure that they are not lying on each other. Other than that, it's going to stick as you bake it, and you wouldn't want that. Okay, definitely one or two are going to stick, but that's just okay, just like this. After, I'm going to bake this under 200 degrees, and it's just going to be there for about 15 minutes, and that's just okay. All right, so guys, I want to say a very big thank you for being here today. I really appreciate you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. So this is the end result, and as you can see, you need to try this. It came out so yummy, delicious. It came out crispy, and you want to try that. So until I come your way again next time, stay safe, be good. See you in my next video. Bye.